Hey everybody, Terry the Travel Guy here. We're here at the Evermore Resorts and we are going to take a look at one of their 4-bedroom villas. We're here, you can see it's Villa 1350. Coming in outside, this is actually a real nice feature. There's your garbage and recycling right there, easy to find right on your entry in. And we'll walk in through the front door. Now, these are absolutely incredible villas. You are going to see, you're going to love these here, absolutely. You walk in, let me widen out the angle here. There we go. You got this beautiful sunken living room. They do have ADA compliant units as well, and in those you're going to find a little elevator, that little lift that just takes you down to that main level there for those that are in wheelchairs. Beautiful, beautiful living room. This one here has a view of Evermore Bay, so it's a premium unit with that view, but these are gorgeously done. If you're familiar with the Grand Cypress, these are the same units for those. So when you come in, immediately to your right is a nice large dining area here. You've got your stairs going up. You've got one bedroom off there to the right. But we're going to start the bedroom tours over here to the left. Just short down the hallway here. You got a wonderful washroom here on your left. Nice deep tub. Double sink. Really nice shower. There we go, better without the mic. And then you've got your first master bedroom. Now let me flick the lights on here for you. Here we go. You can see a king-size bed here. There is a queen-size pull-out sofa. They just did the mopping in here, so the floor is a little bit wet. If you see that on the video, but beautiful unit. Lots of storage. Beautiful TV. Again, more storage there. You do have a terrace out there. They are finishing the construction out there, the landscaping, so we're not going to go out there right now, but it's gorgeous. It's a beautiful view of the Evermore Bay. You do have a separate entry here for those, for the unit as well. If you're familiar with the Grand Cypress units, these are the same units, but this would have been a 1-bedroom. Instead, they've put this into a 4-bedroom. Let's take a look at the other master on the main floor here real quick. We've got another gorgeous washroom with another soaker tub. Double sink. And another great shower. You've got the wand, you've got the rain head there, lots of space in there. And here we've got another master. Well, they're all masters. There are four masters in here. Some are just a little bit bigger, but another king-size bed. I love the details here. You're gonna have some of the finishings, you know, just a little extra space. You've got a few extra things to place on there. If you saw that, a little underfloor lighting pops up there. Very nice. Your view out there of Evermore Bay, you can see that a little bit there. We'll take a tour of that another time. I love these features here. It's a nice clean look. But those pop up. And you've got 2 plugs and 4 USB connections. And there's 2 of those. Very nice. We all have so many more devices these days, so it is nice to be able to have those, be able to charge them all in up at once there at night. And here's your dining room. Terrace going on out the front there. This is a really nice feature. So I'm going to explain the kitchen here a little bit. First of all, you've got your washer and dryer right here, full size, stackable, so nice and compact, but plenty of space to do all your laundry. Now the kitchen here, fully stocked with, you've got your coffee maker, you've got toaster, you know, all the things that you need for a vacation. You do have to supply your own food as well, but we'll talk about that in a second here. Fridge is really good. You have a separate entrance here to the kitchen. So as you might notice, the kitchen's almost like a butler style, and that's exactly the point. You can hire your own chef, your own bar staff, and that through Evermore, and they can supply all of that, and then they can prep your meals and everything out of the way. It's a fantastic service, whether you want it for the full trip or just part of the trip, maybe that special event. And we're gonna go upstairs here. The view of the living room. This is just gorgeous. It's a beautiful, beautiful unit. I've been in a lot of vacation homes here in Florida, Hawaii, Phoenix, all around the world. This is definitely one of the nicest, if not the nicest, I've been in. We'll see how the rest compare here today as we tour more of Evermore. There's another washroom, and very similarly finished to the one down below. Double sink. In fact, it's a duplicate of the one down below. Rain head, wand shower. Really nice to have those features for sure. If you're doing a night or a day of golfing. Master bedroom here, again, is the same as the one down below. There's a little view of the Evermore Bay. We'll see more of that in another video. Plenty of closet space, lots of plugs. Love the features that they have. They've really thought of everything in these units. It's great here at Evermore. And on this side here, here's a nice little feature in this bathroom here. You have this wonderful skylight. Great for a long soak in the tub. And then the other bedroom up top here. Now, here you've got 2 queen beds. And you also have the sofa. Now, it's identical in size to the room below that we saw with the sunken space there with the sofa bed. Those are sofa beds. They're full queen size sofa beds. So this room here alone could technically sleep 6 if you wanted to. Not too many rooms you're going to find of this size that sleep 6 people and do so in comfort. This villa can sleep, oh geez. Well, they say 10 because they don't count the sofa beds. And you got a nice wonderful terrace here as well. And your view of Evermore Bay. I go out there, but they are, like I said, they are finishing landscaping, so it's quite noisy. So you wouldn't be able to see me or hear me anyways. This is Terry Hawkins, Terry the Travel Guy, doing a tour of Evermore Resorts, 4-bedroom villas. Thank you very much, Evermore Resorts. Thank you very much, Phil, for taking us around. We'll take more tours of more of the resorts shortly, so check out those videos.